नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं आहार द इंटरनेशनल फूड एंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी फेयर में, जो कि हो रहा है प्रगति मैदान न्यू दिल्ली में। इस एग्जीबिशन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है आईटीपीओ ने। वेलकम टू आहार। हाउ इज योर एक्सपीरियंस विद आहार सो फार?
So far has been good. I mean, it's just the second day, and I won't complain. Actually, I'm here for the first time in AAHAR. I've just heard stories about AAHAR until now, and then I'm actually feeling it. Ki what people have said until now is true actually, because it's just day two, as I mentioned, and the rush that we're getting, quality rush, I would say, is very good, and we're definitely getting very good interested clients over here, not just for domestic market as well as some people that we're getting for the export market as well. So yeah, overall I would say it's good, and I'm hoping for the best for the rest couple of days.
Tell me something about your product range.
So starting with the product, first of all, we're Farmking. We're based out of Rajkot, Gujarat, and we specialize in grinding spices with the help of cryogenic technology, which grinds spices in cold temperatures. And I would say the main aim to grind spices with this technology is to maintain its nutritious values, aroma, and the taste and the coloring of the product throughout the process. So I would say with the help of this product, what we're trying to do is to sustain the same values of the product throughout the grinding processes. So even if you're saying that you're picking a chili from a farm, and you're comparing it with the grounded spice, I won't say there would be much of a difference. And for now, what we've done is we've started with the basic spices, our range with the basic spices, with which contains chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, and we've also started with the blended range, which would be pav bhaji, chole, and sambar masala, and many more that you're seeing over here. And we're also doing pulses as well, in which we've got a 6 photo shooter cleaning and sortex plant, in where we clean and sort our pulses, and then we pack them in our brand. And I would say something I would trying to do with the future would be developing a ready mix, I guess. I think that would be the next stage after this.